I'm Evan with Layback Barbecue, and today we're just going to be smoking some chicken wings. Football season's right around the corner, so as a part of our tailgate series, we thought we'd do some wings for y'all. And today, we're going to be using our Sweet Texas Heat Rub for these. We're just going to keep this one simple. Just going to go straight on them. And the Sweet Texas Heat has a really good flavor for chicken. Any kind of poultry, turkey as well. Love this on turkey. All right, got that. Now, I'm also just going to do a quick shot of avocado spray on those. That way when I flip them, it stays on there. All right, now we got these flipped over, same exact thing. Just gonna go right over the top with these. All right, same thing. Quick little shot of avocado spray. We're just going to let that sweat in for just a little bit, not too long. Then we're going to be putting these on our old country gravity fed smoker. We're going to shoot for 275 for at least an hour, see where they're sitting at. And then if we need to, we'll crank it up the rest of the cook. For these wings, personally, I like 190 internal temp or higher. Wings don't dry out like breast does, and it also allows that skin to kind of crisp up a little bit as well. So I'm going to let these sweat in and get these put on in just a little bit. All right, we're going to go ahead and get these put on. And today we're going to be using our middle rack here. And I'm just going to simply take these, I'm going to start from the back and work my way in. And I like to leave a little bit of a gap just to get a little bit of airflow between them. Now also, I don't mind overlapping the wing tips a little bit. Just make sure there's a little gap. And on this smoker, I like to shoot for the left side, furthest away from the chimney there, the chimney chute, just because there's a lot of heat against this wall here. But that's pretty much it. I mean, we're going to sit here for an hour, let those smoke up, come back and check them, see where they're sitting at. So we'll see you in just a little bit. All right. We're going to check these wings now. Had these cooking for roughly an hour, just to see where we're sitting at. Like I said, we're looking for that 190 plus. I'm just going to take this one right here and just go right in there. Looks like we're around that 173, so we got a little bit longer to go on these. I want to make sure these aren't getting a little warmer, closer to that firebox, and those are. That was around 193. So this one, I'm just going to move over here. I'm going to check these as well. All right, so the rest of these need just a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to rotate these, put these a little closer here and just slide these over. Let them go for about another 15 minutes or so. Come back and check them. All right. Another 15 minutes. Let's check and see. Okay. Same thing. Going right down that wing there, flat. There it is, 191, 92, yep. All right, we're gonna get these off and let them sit and rest for just a little bit before biting into it. They look great, they got a nice color to them. You see there. Nice little char on the backside, just a little bit. Not much, but just an overall nice color to them. Like I said, we're gonna get these picked up, let them rest for a little bit, and come back and try them. All right, we've let these cool down long enough. They look great, got a nice color to them. Just hope they don't burn my mouth when I bite into it. It's got a nice little pull from it. Me, I'm actually gonna go with the drum. Personally, I just prefer drums over flats. You disagree with me? Leave it in the comments. But let's try it. Got a great flavor to it. Good bite. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a nice juice to that meat as well. Still juicy in the middle, hadn't dried out at all. Still a little hot though. But great bite, great taste. All we did was put the Sweet Texas heat on these, threw them in the smoker. About an hour and a half, 2 hours later, they were temping perfect. Pulled them out, let them rest for about 15 minutes. Just perfect to me. Like I said, if you want to try it, go try the rubs. I can definitely eat about 4 to 6 of these, no problem. But yeah, happy football season.